Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install SQL Server 2022 on Windows 10 or 11 or server operating systems. Then we will connect SQL Server from the SQL Server Management Studio. First, download the SQL Server 2022. Go to Microsoft official website, that is microsoft.com en-us. Then give the SQL Server, SQL-server, hit enter. I will keep this with the video description. Hit enter. Now click on try SQL Server 2022. See here we have SQL Server on Azure, SQL Server at the edge and SQL Server on premises. So click on download to install SQL Server on Windows operating systems. We have to register. So provide the information. We have to provide all these fields. Then we have to click on download. Let me fill all these details. If you provide all the details, then click on download now. Then see here we have the English, then select the exe file. See, now we are going to download SQL Server 2022 download. So click on this exe download. Click on 64-bit edition. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See, this is the evaluation exe file. Click on it. Now select the type of installation, basic, custom and download media. I am going to use the custom option. So click on custom. Then we have to provide the location to download the SQL Server media download. Okay. So this is the location. If you want to change, click on browse and select the path. Okay. And this is the download size. Then click on install. Now click on installation. Now click on new server, new SQL Server standalone installation. I am going with evaluation. Then click on next. Then select the checkbox. I accept the license, terms and privacy statement. So click on next. I don't want to use the Microsoft updates to check for the updates. So next. Click on next. Now select the perform new installation. Then click on next. Select evaluation. Click on next. Select the accept. Click on next. Add Azure extension. You have to select the checkbox. Then you have to provide the use service principal, or you can log in. Okay. At this moment I don't want, so click on next. Now here we have to select the features, database engine services, and remaining I am not going to select. Okay. Then click on next. Then provide the instance name. See, this is the instance name. Then click on next. Now server configuration I am going with the defaults, so click on next. Then see here we have two authentication methods, Windows and mixed authentication. I am going with Windows authentication. Now we have to provide SQL Server administrator. I am going to add the current user, so click on current user, or if you want to create, click on add. Then you have to search the user, so click on add current user. Then click on next. See, this is the installation summary. If you are okay with all the settings, then click on install. See, installation has been started. See, installation is success. Click on close. Now we can connect SQL Server by using SQL Server Management Studio or command line tool, command line utilities. Okay. So to connect SQL Server, we have to install SQL Server Management Studio. So click on install SQL Server Management Tools. Now download the SQL Server Management Studio. See here we have the SQL Server Management Studio 20.02. Click on it. See, download started. Its size is 473 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Click on SSM setup.exe file. Click on it. Click on install. See, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio installation has been completed. Click on close. Now go to start. All applications. See here we have the SQL Server Management Studio. Click on it. Select SQL database engine, then select the server name. Browse, then select database. Select the engine, then click on connect. Click on yes. See, we have successfully connected. Expand databases. See, these are the default databases. If you want to create database, right click on database, then provide the database name. SQL DB. See, if you want to select owner, select the owner from the list. I don't have any logins or rows, so click on OK. See, new database is there. If you want to create logins, expand logins, right click, then click on new login, then provide name. Select SQL Server authentication and provide password. Then click on, then confirm. Then click on OK. See, new login is created. Okay, and SA is the super user or server admin account. Okay, show all privileges. Now go to downloads. After installation, remove these files. Those are not required anymore. Even if you go to C drive, go to SQL folder, see here, these are all downloaded files. These are not required anymore. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and connect to SQL Server 2022. For more SQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.